Hey loves, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Maria Stella. So today I did do an updated brow tutorial using 5 Benefit cosmetic products, and I kid you not guys, like this has been a brow changer. Like I was obsessed with like the Morphe brow palette, but ever since I tried out these 5 products, I cannot let it go. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know these 5 products as well. So the first that I start off with, the BROWVO conditioning primer. This acts as like a conditioning base primer for your brows, and I freaking love it. Grabs and it shapes your brows, like it just gives you like that perfect base. And then after that I go in with my Precisely My Brow pencil, and I am in the shade 4. And I also go in with the GOOF proof brow pencil. This is kind of like the Precisely My Brow pencil, but the Precisely one is a little bit thinner. That way like it's easier to carve out and make hair-like strokes rather than the GOOF proof brow pencil. This one is in the shade 4 as well, but it is thicker, so it's easier to kind of like shade in the areas that need more shading, because I do have thin hairs, so in certain areas I do need more shading. And then what I love about these two is that they both come with like a spoolie. They both come with a spoolie at the end of the brow pencil, so that's always a plus. I top it off with my 3D brown tones in the shade 4 as well, and it looks like this. And this is kind of like a gel, like a brow gel, but it has like the tint of color. And then I do top it off with the 24-hour brow setter. Looks like this. And this is a true lifesaver because it literally keeps your brow hairs put. These have been like my holy grail brow products. Like I cannot seem to let it go. So if you do want to see how I achieved my brows using these 5 Benefit cosmetic products, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start by picking up my BROWVO conditioning primer and applying that to my eyebrow. And what I do to one eyebrow, I'm going to go ahead and do to the other eyebrow as well. I'm then going to pick up Precisely My Brow pencil, and I'm going to go ahead and take this and start underlining the bottom of my brow. This is basically the start of me shaping my brow. And of course, what I do to one eyebrow, I go ahead and do to the other. So throughout the video, you're gonna see me kind of jumping back and forth. Once I have the bottom of my brows underlined, I will go ahead and outline the top of my brow as well. I do just follow the shape of my brows I have already, but because I do have thin eyebrows, this basically just helps by giving my eyebrows a more defined shape. Once I get to the front, I do make hair-like strokes going up, and then I still continue to do hair-like strokes, but following the hair growth that my eyebrows grow in. Just remember that having a light hand when doing these hair-like strokes is key. I then go in with my spoolie and just start brushing out the hairs. That way the product and my hairs have a nice blend to it. Now I will be picking up my GOOF Proof Brow Pencil. This pencil is a bit thicker than the Precisely pencil, which makes it easier for shading. So right now I'm just shading in the areas that my Precisely brow didn't get. I am using a light hand because I don't want my eyebrows to look too harsh. Picking my spoolie up again, I am going to just comb out the hairs. That way we have a nice blend once again. I am now picking up my e.l.f. small concealer brush. And I am going to be using the Morphe Brow 8 concealer that comes in that brow palette. You can use any concealer brand of your choice, but try to go with a lighter shade. That way you can highlight your brow bone with the concealer. I am now going to pick up my Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer in the shade 2.5. Using this small e.l.f. concealer brush, I'm then going to kind of carve out the top of my brows to give it a more defined shape. And for this concealer, I do tend to go a little darker. That way when I apply my foundation, I don't have like a bright white highlight on the top of my brow. I am then picking up my spoolie once again to brush out the hairs right at the front. That way it doesn't look so harsh. I'm then picking up my BH Cosmetics brush in the number 122, and with this I'm going to go ahead and just start buffing and blending out the concealer. Now I'm going to be picking up my 3D brow tones. This is in the shade 4. I'm going to apply this to my brows. I feel like this step right here kind of just gives it the cherry on top, like with blending out your brows. I love that this product does have that tint of color as well. Last but not least, I'm going to be picking up my 24-hour brow setter. This step right here is what's going to make my brows last me all day long. So I did want to say thank you so much for watching this brow tutorial, and then also I did kind of want to start doing this like with my makeup to tutorials and stuff, I kind of wanted to throw in like a little giveaway at the end of the video. So I will be choosing a random winner on February 4th. So if you guys don't win this time, please do not get discouraged, because I'm going to try to incorporate more giveaways for you guys after every makeup tutorial I do. I will be giving away a Precisely My Brow pencil and a Goof Proof brow pencil by Benefit Cosmetics. And these will be in the shade 6. So you will win these 2 goodies. So basically all you have to do is do 3 single steps. All you have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, turn on your post notifications on, and then down below comment your favorite brow product. It could be anything, it doesn't have to be Benefit Cosmetics, but I do want to hear what your guys' favorite brow product is, as well as your email address. That way it's easy for me to contact you. I will be selecting a random winner, so please do not get discouraged, and I will be emailing you if you're selected. If you guys did enjoy this video and you thought it was helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Good luck to you all, and I will see you guys in my next video.